was pulling out my hair the day I cut the deal. Chemically calm, was I meant to feel happy that my life was just about to change? One life pretending to be the cow got the cream. Oh, everybody said Marina is a dreamer. People like to tell you what you're gonna be. It's not my problem if you don't see what I see, and I do not give a damn if you don't believe. My problem is my problem that I never am happy. It's my problem on how fast I will succeed. Are you satisfied with an average life? Do I need to lie to make my way in life? High achiever, don't you see? Baby, nothing comes for free. They say I'm a control freak, driven by greed to succeed. Nobody can stop me, 'cause it's my problem if I wanna pack up and run away. It's my business if I feel the need to smoke and drink and sway. It's my problem if I feel the need to hide. And it's my problem if I have no friends and feel I want to die. Are you satisfied with an average life? Do I need to lie to make my way in life? Are you satisfied with an easy ride? Once you cross the line, will you be satisfied? Sad inside in this life, unsatisfied, praying. Sad inside this life, unsatisfied, waiting. Are you satisfied with an average life? Do I need to lie to make my way in life? Are you satisfied with an easy ride? Once you cross the line, will you be satisfied? Are you 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 satisfied?
I got a new disease in me. I got a friend that's losing sleep. I take it hard, it's hard to take. I'm wide awake, I'm wide awake. One more confession, discretion's not what I need to sell. I never needed a reason for keeping secrets from myself, and now that's just how I tell. I'm wide awake. I'll wreck this if I have to. Tell me what good would that do? I'll wreck this if I have to. So good to you, and me so good to you. it all on my insist. Don't you ever tell me I'm not loving you best. And I just need a minute, I just need a breath. It's very hard to train to my continued success. And slow down, slow down. It's better in the worst way. It's getting better in the worst way. So here's another day I'll spend away from you. Another night I'm on another broken avenue, trading in who I've been for shiny celebrity skin. I like to push it until my luck is over. I wonder what you're doing, I wonder if you doubt it. I wonder how we used to ever go so long without it. All the work to impress charming girls that other dress and smiling pretty. I am oh, misty eye of the mountain below, keep careful watch of my brother's souls. And should the sky be filled with fire and smoke, keep watching over during suns. If this is to end in fire, then we shall all burn together. Watch the flames climb high into the night, calling out, Father, oh, stand by and we will watch the flames burn open on the mountainside. And if we should die tonight, we should all die together. Raise a glass of wine for the
out farther. Oh, prepare as we will watch the flames burn open on the mountainside. Desolation comes upon the sky. Now I see fire inside the mountain. I see fire burning the trees, and I see fire hollow in soul. I see fire, blood in the breeze, and I hope that you remember me. Should my people fall, then surely I'll do the same. Confined in mountain holes, we got too close to the flame. Calling out, Father, oh, hold fast and we will watch the flames burn open on the mountainside. Desolation comes upon the sky. Now I see fire inside the mountain. I see fire burning the trees, and I see fire hollow in soul. I see fire, blood in the breeze, and I hope that you remember me. And if the night is burning, I will cover my eyes. For if the dark returns, then my brothers will die. And as the sky is falling down, it crashed into this lonely town. And with that shadow upon the ground, I hear my people screaming out. And I see fire